My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Ford Puma. This vehicle has done just under 13,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On our screen, we can access valet mode, Apple and Android CarPlay, 4Pass Connect, our vehicle settings, navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, and if we press our mode button we can switch between trail, normal, eco, sport and slippery. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.